Welcome to Sky Broking Commodity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Major data of this week has inflation-related data and no major event for this week. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like Omicron remains the biggest risks to the outlook, and whether that leads to the panic selling of risky assets or triggers some safe haven flows might have gold trade between $1,775 and $1,850 trading range for the rest of the year. Precious metals had a great week after a hawkish FOMC decision, and Bitcoin continues to weaken. Fundamentally, this is a positive news for precious metals, and technically speaking, gold has a close above 48,800 and some more upswings ahead. Silver may expect a positive range-bound trade ahead. These are this week's major precious metals outlook. Now let's move on to see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has news like crude prices were lower on both a strong dollar, and as Omicron concerns grow as the current virus surge will likely lead to some Americans to cancel holiday travel plans. COVID news may continue to be a drag for oil prices for the rest of the year, but prospects of $100 oil at some point next year will lead to some buying on every critical support levels. Fundamentally, this is a slight negative news for crude oil, and technically speaking, crude oil may expect a profit booking rally and may possible to test 5,112 ranges. Next is natural gas. It has news like the number of natural gas directed rigs has increased to 102 in mid-November 2021. Rig counts are considered a leading indicator of newly drilled wells. Fundamentally, this is a slight negative news for natural gas, and technically speaking, natural gas may expect a high volatility trade. So these are this week's energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has news like copper volumes continue to slide in LME. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for copper, and technically speaking, copper may expect a range-bound trade in between 702 to 766.6 levels. Next is aluminum. It has news like aluminum pushes back above $2,700 per ton following high energy prices. This is fundamentally a positive news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a positive range-bound trade. Next is lead. It has news like the smelters discounts did not expand significantly amid rising lead prices. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for lead, and technically speaking, lead may expect a volatility trade. Next is zinc. It has a news like on the supply side, the overseas energy crisis returned, and the NYSERDA announced to suspend the operation of its zinc projects in order to contain electricity costs. As such, overseas zinc ingot output is expected to fall, creating strong fundamentals coupled with lower inventory in the Eurozone and the US. This is fundamentally a positive news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a profit booking rally until close above 292 levels. Next is nickel. It has news like pure nickel inventory was at a comparatively low level, supporting nickel prices. This is fundamentally a positive news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may expect a mixed trade. For more profits, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Skybroking.